Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford F150 into neutral. First, make sure your truck is running and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. With the brake engaged, you can now move the gear selector directly into the neutral position. This is the standard and most common way to achieve neutral in your F150 for everyday situations. Sometimes, you might need to put your F150 in neutral without power, like if the battery is dead. Look for a small access panel near your gear shifter, often a tiny cover. Gently pry it open with a flathead screwdriver. Inside, you'll find a manual override button. Press and hold this button, and you can then move the shifter into neutral, even without the engine running. Safety is paramount when putting your F150 in neutral. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before you release the shifter, especially on any slope. Never leave your truck unattended in neutral, as it could roll unexpectedly. For the most accurate and model-specific guidance, always refer to your Ford F150's owner's manual. It contains crucial details for your particular vehicle. Knowing when to use neutral is important. It's primarily for situations like towing your F150 or when you need to move at a very short distance without starting the engine. However, avoid using neutral for coasting down hills to save fuel. This practice is unsafe and can damage your transmission. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.